Alright, hey everyone! Okay, so it's back to Math Persona. Yeah, welcome back. Alright, anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Too much enthusiasm. Alright, so we want to talk about multiplying fractions and cross-cancellation. First, I'm going to talk about multiplying fractions. How do I multiply fractions? Well, let's say I have 1 over 4. And I want to multiply it. Again, the dot is a multiplication symbol. I want to multiply it to 6 over 5. Alright, and I have a fraction 6 over 5. So 1/4 times 6 over 5. Now, multiplying fractions, it's really nice. All you do is you just multiply straight across. Multiply straight across. Alright? For both the top, for both the numerators and the denominators. So 1 times 6 is 6. And then I put my fraction bar. 4 times 5 is 20. Now, my answer is not in its simplest form, so I will have to divide it by their greatest common factor, and their greatest common factor is 2. Okay? So 6 divided by 2 is 3, 20 divided by 2 is 10. And then this would be my final answer over here, 3 over 10. Now, let's talk about cross-cancellation. Now, there's another way I could have actually solved this fraction, one that I think is actually faster. It's called cross-cancellation. So here's where I'm going to talk about cross-cancellation. Okay. So I'm going to rewrite the problem. 1/4 times 6 over 5. Now cross-cancellation works like this. You have, alright, look. Do 1 and 5 have greatest common factors? No. Do 6 and 4 have greatest common factors? Yes, they do. So the greatest common factor that I can divide it by, alright, the greatest common factor of 6 and 4 is 2, so I can divide both 6 and 4 by 2. Alright, so I can just say, well, 6 divided by 2 is 3, so I cross it out and put 3, because I divided it also to the number on the bottom, which is 4, by 2 as well. So this becomes 2. So you took the 2 out of both of them. Alright, now if you want to go off to the side and see exactly what's happening, look, 6 has factors of 3 and 2. So technically you could rewrite this fraction 1 over 4 as 1 over 2 times 2, right, because this is all equal to 4, and times 3 times 2, and all of this is equal to 6, and all of that is over 5. Okay, so what you're doing, you see, the 2 didn't just magically disappear from here and here. They were both the greatest common factor of 6 and 4, so I could take it away. Alright, see, and I've written all the factors down for 4 here, and all the factors out here for 6. So what happens is, you actually, whoops, what am I doing? Alright. You will take out, so see, 2 and 2, it goes into both of them, and what happens is one of those 2's goes away. And that's why you're just left with a 3 here, and you're left with a 2 here. Hence why you only see 3 up here and a 2 over here. And then finally you can multiply straight across and have your final answer. So 1 times 3 is 3, over, create your fraction bar, and 2 times 5, which is 10. Okay, 10. Right? So you see here, you get the same answer with cross-cancellation that you do even if you simplified your final answer that you first got here with 6 divided by 2 and 20 divided by 2 equals 3/10. So you get the same answer. Again, I think that this method is faster, cross-cancellation, but you can also choose to use this method as well. Again, whatever helps you. All right? Thank you for watching.